left-handed dumb guy, Maverick. Not that left-handed dumb guy.
Dude! Come on!
Hello and welcome to Disc Golf, where the ratings are made up and the pars don't matter. Got there finally, sorry. It's been a while.
Pause.
Hold for dramatic effect, and scene.
I'm Tina Oakley. This is Chris Clemons. This is Eric Oakley.
Hi.
Because they don't know how to do introductions for themselves. We are out here in Portland, Oregon. I just got in a couple days ago. I guess you guys did too.
Yeah.
You got the same day.
Same day you did.
So this is our first practice round. I'm just here for fun and to film these goobers. But this time, instead of doing a practice round, we're going to teach you some of our tips and tricks on shot selection.
Decision making. Sometimes
Which
we make the
also
wrong
is shot
decision.
selection, I
Yes.
suppose.
Right.
So I want to start. I'm going to leave scene.
And scene.
Is that awkward?
Oh wait, what?
No, keep going.
Oh.
Before we even get out and throw, Chris, we'll start with you. What is one tip you want to give everybody when it comes to decision making?
So decision making as in before I get out and throw?
Or
just
on
in
the
general?
course.
When you're on the course,
Playing disc golf.
I like to stay within myself, play my own game, know my distances. You know, if I'm playing with Eagle McMahon and he's throwing a mid-range 400 feet, I know that I'm probably not going to do that, so I'm going to throw my fairway driver.
Eric?
Learn from your practice. And kind of to touch on what Chris said, is staying kind of within yourself is huge. So learning from your practice, you understand what is attainable. You understand where you can make mistakes, and that helps you make better decisions in the tournament. So for me, I'm out here. I might, like, we just played a hole where I don't want to be throwing a distance driver, even though the distance may call for a distance driver, but it was causing me to pull it right, hit trees, and not hit my line, where the line is more important than the actual distance. So I will definitely be disking down to a fairway driver and letting that work for me. So disc selection, disc decision, shot selection, decision making. It all
You're just
goes
trying
hand
to
in
say
hand.
a bunch of words?
Yes, all the things that describe the thing we're working on, so
Okay.
it's good.
Okay, so my tip is math. Do some math. What I mean by that is choosing the highest percentage success. So essentially, if you're looking at a tiny gap and you know you could hit it, and if you do, you're going to get super far up there. But if there's a bigger gap and you might be shorter, but you know that you have 90% chance of hitting that gap, go with the 90% versus the 10%. It takes some of the fun out of it, but you're going to have higher success if you choose the higher percentage shot.
And shooting low makes you happier.
That's true.
So true.
Less strokes, better. Now we're gonna get out on the course and we're gonna practice some holes, throw some practical shots in this practice round, and kind of just walk you guys through the decisions that we make and why we make them. Little tips and tricks that you guys can apply to your rounds, your tournament rounds, and your practice rounds. Enjoy.
What's up? We're out here on hole 6 at Glendoveer. So I haven't quite seen the green yet, but I'm looking at the caddy book and it looks pretty precarious. It looks like there's OB long, left and right, and short. I measured it, it's like 340, so that tells me I'm probably gonna throw my Felon, maybe a Spikeiser with a Warhorse or something. Yeah, and probably just try to pinpoint it right on the bucket. I don't know if you really wanna go anywhere but right on it.
So I'm on a very long par 5. This is hole 7 at Glendoveer. My second shot has landed on a slight slope. So with this slope, I really have to focus on my footing. The biggest focus here is going to be slowing down and making sure that I'm coming through on the disc on the angle that I want. It's really easy to pull the disc or release the disc early, especially with a little bit of water carry, green carry, bunker carry, OB behind. It is really, really important that I really focus on hitting the clean angle with the right amount of speed. So I like an EMAC truth from this distance, but I'm okay with stepping up to an evader and really letting the disc kind of carry me and get me the distance I need, where all I have to do is throw it nice and smooth. But again, slow run up, make sure I'm hitting the angle I want.
Real quick, leave that. When your disc is on a slant like this, is it true that you will start your run up from the side instead of straight on?
Yes, I do have an exaggerated run up, but I will exaggerate it even more. So normally I would probably, if this was flat ground, I would have started from here. But with this extra run up, I'm really trying to start it a little bit more right, so that when I'm pulling through, it's like I'm coming uphill, where if I'm going straight on, it's usually gonna pull my right shoulder more, where if I come this way, I'm pulling my right shoulder in the line that I'm looking for. So taking a look at the green, this is a lot closer. It's inside the circle and it extends. It's not just the path. So knowing that, we're gonna try and play actually a little bit more right of the basket. So maybe playing that front side of that hill, or what Chris is putting now, just a nice easy top shelf, easy look at it. So you're not looking at any OB, just put it in the chains, get that birdie. Hole 17 out here at Glendoveer. Drive came in, hit the trees, left me a little bit short. But this is the type of decision where this is full send. This is green light to the max, because I have kind of a backstop behind the basket, where no matter what, if I miss this putt, I should have a short look on my comeback if I happen to miss. So giving me that confidence that no matter what, run it, you're gonna be rewarded with a par. And if you get a good putt off, you're going to be looking at that birdie. So these are the type of situations you're looking for, especially if your putt isn't feeling on. This can really get your putt going for the rest of the weekend. Just like that.
What about that birdie?
Get you going, baby.
Yeah, we just finished up. We're super worn out. It's a long, open bomber course. It's like over 12,000 feet.
Big time, big time.
Yeah, and it's super hot out here too, so it's gonna be fun this weekend.
Make the decision to hydrate.
Yes.
You're welcome. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you learned how to make better decisions on the course. We're gonna take a nap now. Okay, good night.